Hello there, gang. It is Farmer Hugh, and we just got our first package here for the kickoff of the Sunflower Festival. So let's see what's in here. They've made it childproof so that I can't get into it. Hang on, monkey. Let's use our tools. A multi-tool, farmer never without that there. Oh, it's cut towards your neck as you're cutting stuff. That's what I've heard. And what we did is we just recently placed all of our orders for seeds. And let's see what we've got in here. All right. Ooh, it's only two. Don't get too fired up yet, people. It's only two. These are the teddy bears, the sunflower teddy bear seeds. And these guys get a poofy head on them like a pom-pom. They're like the cheerleaders of sunflowers. And this one is Lemon Queen. And the Lemon Queen is a short cut variety. And it's got a very light lemony look to the petals. So the first seeds are here. Yay! I don't know. What do we do to celebrate? Whee! They're fine. Seeds are fine. They're dormant right now. No seeds were injured in this. Lots more coming for Sunflower Fest 2018, baby. The first seeds are here.